The advice I would give to a recruitment company to help start prepare for the changes and also protect that risk that they're going to be taking on is education, going out talking to industry experts, going out talking to their contractor base, working on documents. There kind of can't be enough education. Then they can start to speak to the IR35 industry experts. They can also start to look at the way to manage that risks by looking at different types of solutions such as insurance and getting very secure processes in place. Where the risk lies for the recruiter is the fact that they're usually the fee payer in the supply chain, that they now hold the responsibility of making the tax deductions if they are deemed inside of IR35. Therefore, if they're deemed outside of IR35, it means that they hold the tax liability. So if HMRC disagree with that outside decision, they come after the fee payer. So although the client is responsible for making the determination, it's the recruiter as the fee payer that is responsible for that tax element. As soon as the changes came in 2017, everyone suddenly panicked. We saw a massive shift to umbrella companies. We saw a huge increase in rates and contractors moving from public sector into private sector, so they didn't have to deal with it. Now we don't have that option with it coming to the private sector. So the more education we can do, the more education to clients, the more education to contractors, then the less likely that knee-jerk reaction is going to be. The recruiters that are doing more to prepare, doing more to educate, are definitely going to be the recruiters in the chain that have that kind of commercial benefit as opposed to the ones that aren't doing anything. They can go into their clients and explain, look, if you have any direct contractors, do you understand that not only are you responsible for making that status determination, you're also responsible for that tax liability. If you slot a recruitment company in the chain who will become the fee payer, they're taking away a lot of that tax liability. This isn't the end of contracting as we know it. Limited companies can still exist. This is just to make sure that for contractors that are working outside of IR35, they can stay working outside of IR35.